Hi, I am Bob, and welcome to HubSpot Tutorials by Webdo. How to view SEO recommendations in HubSpot. SEO best practices lead to more organic traffic to your website over time. In HubSpot, SEO recommendations can be viewed for your overall website or on a page-by-page basis. To view SEO recommendations for all pages, navigate to Marketing. Hover over to Website in the drop-down menu, click SEO. To scan a new domain in the upper right, click Scan New URL. In the dialog box, enter URL for your website, then click Scan URL. To scan a previously added domain, click the Domain drop-down menu and select the domain. In the upper right, click Rescan Now. You can filter SEO recommendations by category, SEO impact, and technical difficulty to resolve. To filter recommendations by category, select or clear the checkbox next to each category to the left of the recommendations. By default, all checkboxes are selected. To filter recommendations by the technical difficulty to resolve them, click the Technical Difficulty drop-down menu and select or clear the checkbox next to each technical difficulty level. By default, all checkboxes are selected. To export recommendations, click the Actions drop-down menu and select Export Recommendations. In the dialog box, click the File Format drop-down menu and select a format, then click Export. You will receive an email and an in-app notification with the download link to your export file. To set the domain that appears when you open the SEO tools, click the Actions drop-down menu and select Make Default Domain. A star will appear next to the default domain in the Domain drop-down menu. To change the default domain, repeat this process for a different domain. To remove a scanned domain, click the Actions drop-down menu and select Remove Domain. You can add back a removed domain by scanning its URL again. To see specific pages for a recommendation, click View Pages. To fix a HubSpot hosted page or blog post, click Fix in Editor. To fix a page hosted outside of HubSpot, click the page URL to navigate to the page. To hide a recommendation, select the checkbox next to the recommendation you want to hide. To hide multiple recommendations, select the checkboxes next to the recommendations you want to hide. To hide all of the recommendations on your current page, select the Select All checkbox at the top of the table. Then, to select all of the recommendations, click the Select All Hash Pages link. At the top of the table, click Hide Recommendations. To unhide page recommendations, click Show All Hidden Recommendations at the bottom of the page. That's how you can view SEO recommendations in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and we will be happy to answer. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. To know about our HubSpot services, visit us on www.webdo.com.